channel. I'm Jina, and today we'll be exploring top 5 vibe coding tools that helps you to build your app from just prompts. So if you don't know these 5 tools, you're lagging back in the AI era. You will be comparing Emergent, Lovable, Replit, Google AI Studio and Blink. So let's enter the same prompt in all of these 5 apps and try to compare which one is working the best and which one lacks certain features. So first I'm gonna build a social media for coders. So we're gonna ask Claude to give a prompt for building a social media. I prefer Claude for creating prompts to paste in this vibe coding apps. So if you copy this prompt over here and paste it in Emergent first. I'm going to do the same in this as well. So as you can see over here, the app is getting built. It just prompts to direct apps. These vibe coding tools have reduced the app developing speed to a great extent. So the first criteria on which we are going to assess these vibe coding tools is time. So Google AI Studio took the least amount of time to develop it, and the UI is pretty decent. Yeah, the layout is good. And Lovable and Replit almost took the same time. So if you see, the overall app including the UI UX is pretty good in Lovable, but if you see Replit, comparatively I would rate this the last out of the 5. Blink is taking the most amount of time, even though it is named as Blink. And Emergent gave a pretty good result. Let's log into this. Oh. This is pretty good because the backend is also working. When you compare to Lovable and Replit and even Google Studio just builds the front end, neglecting all the backend working. But if you see, Emergent is complete working app. From front end to backend, it's completely done within minutes of just prompting. So I would rate Emergent as the first among all these 5. Then second would go for Lovable. But before that, we have to check Blink as well. So I'll come to this Blink after it gets finished. But Blink is taking a lot of time, so I would probably give this the 3rd position. And I believe it would be better than Replit and Google's AI Studio because it's taking a lot of time. So the second rank goes to Lovable because it, as overall in design, in layout, in the features, Lovable ranks the second. And yeah, the third is Blink. If you have tried out Blink, just comment like how you have felt with the the work of Blink, the result. And also try out B Not Dev and Cursor and Anti-Gravity as alternatives to this if you are a coder. So if you see over here, the app is built on Blink and it has two issues. So I'm gonna log into this. The authentication part is a bit slow. If you see the sandwich menu is not working, burger menu, and the notification, it's not worth the time, it says, so I would not even rate this out of 3. Google AI Studio will be 3. And the last would be this, because Replit did much faster. Blink is good when you go for SaaS. And Google AI Studio, if you're a developer, you gotta try Anti-Gravity. Just develop the MVP using Google Studio and scale it using Anti-Gravity. That would be the best option if you're a developer. So guys, you guys try out vnot.dev and Cursor and Bolt as well, and let me know in the comments.